artificial intelligence. Having said that, my expertise has been in business architecture domain. So I spend most of my time around business capability modeling, business models, aligning outcomes to capabilities, to IT, to tech, and all the sort of things. So mainly working around strategy and outcomes. So that's what I do. Previous to that, I worked for a company called Konica Minolta, which is a Japanese company. I worked with them for 7 years. I was heading their enterprise architecture. I was heading their architecture and design practice within the Konica Minolta research and development space. So we were responsible for running quite a few programs. So there were programs and new products and services that are coming out of R&D, and each of us were responsible for running a program from an inception to making it operational. So there's a brilliant instant out there. That's me. What do I want out of this, right? So AI, I think it's beyond understand, it's here to stay. So there are no second thoughts about it. I think the key thing is the adoption. That's really, really important because there is so much of content about AI. There is so much of risk. So there is a traditional way of doing analytics. From traditional, we have moved to insights. From insights, we have moved to foresights. So there is a trajectory in which the whole analytics to advanced analytics have moved. Me coming from an end user organization for the last 10 years, I've always been an end user for the last 10 years, been in the end user space. It would be interesting to understand, given that where the end user organizations are, because what I've realized is the product companies and the technology companies are really at least 4 to 5 steps ahead of where the end users are. And the adoption rate of any of these new technologies is far, far slower than what we would like the companies to be at. So I would like to understand, so I know there are challenges in terms of the adoption. So it would be very, very good to understand, have a discussion about what the product company is saying, given that they have great understanding of the technology, and how can companies like us or the end user organizations are still running very slow and a bit behind, how they can get onto the bandwagon and get a sense of how to adopt these new technologies into their workspaces. So that's what I would like to look at. Is the user adoption.